Hi guys, this is Kate back again from Let's Update Academy. Hope the animal idioms were really useful for you guys. Today let's try out some idioms with fruits and vegetables in it. Just look. Our first idiom is apple of someone's eye. You can use this idiom when you got a favorite person or a thing that you love very much. Let's look at an example. My brother is the apple of my eye. Is it the apple or an apple? As we're telling about a specific thing or a person, we're using the article the here. So the idiom is the apple of someone's eye. You all have a friend who is very cool and patient all difficult situation. So you can call this friend with an idiom called as cool as cucumber. Let's look at an example. She was as cool as cucumber all throughout her interview. Our third idiom is a plum job. It means a well-paid job or you're working in a desirable position, you can use this idiom. Let's look at an example. After working hard, I got a plum job in New York. Our last idiom is a couch potato. Do you know what is a couch potato? A person who is very lazy or inactive, you can call them a couch potato. Let's look at an example. Social media have turned youngsters to a couch potato. So these types of idioms are very useful in your IELTS speaking test. So try it out. Bye-bye.